Are you tired of not hitting your fitness goals? Introducing the Dustless Blasting Weight Loss app. This state-of-the-art app leverages the full range of your phone's capabilities to provide customized weight loss encouragement.
Is this a good time to go jogging?
With GPS tracking and advanced machine learning, the app gently steers you away from bad decisions.
Do not even think about going to Trough Burger.
I'm gonna have one sweet tea, okay? I've earned it. Yeah, can I get a double Mondo burger?
And cutting-edge AI can issue gentle retribution when you fail to stick to goals.
And a sweet tea to drink.
Finally, achieve your fitness goals with the Dustless Blasting Weight Loss app.
Jacob, you're not sticking with the program.
Wait, can you tell I'm eating chips?
Remember those before photos you took? In your underwear? I sent them to everyone on your contact list. I hope you will start taking this seriously.
The DB Fitness app. It's not the weight loss partner you want, it's the weight loss partner you need. Cancel that. We'll stick to what we're good at, providing top-notch blast equipment and blasting accessories.